In this video, I'm going to show you how to apply UV gel nails. I have already prepared the nails by pushing back the cuticles and shaping the nails. I'll start by taking off the shine from the natural nails by lightly buffing over the surface using a block file. Taking the shine off and roughing the surface of the nail will allow the gel to bond better to the natural nail. I'll now sanitise the nails to make sure that no bacteria gets trapped underneath the gel, causing infection. I'm now applying a thin layer of primer to the natural nail. Without this, the gel won't stick to the nail properly and it will just peel off. Starting with the base coat, I will apply a thin layer to the surface of the natural nail. Placing the brush slightly above the cuticle and pushing it down towards before drawing it back up across the natural nail will prevent the cuticle from flooding and it will make the gel last longer. Make sure that you work the base layer into the nail fully so it can bond properly with the nail. And don't forget to cap off the free edge to prevent it from chipping. I'll then clean up around the edge of the nail just to make sure that nothing has flooded onto the cuticle. You'll then need to place your hand into the UV lamp for about 1.5 minutes to cure the gel. I'll then apply the first layer of the colour coat. I will do it in the same way that I did the base coat, starting just above the cuticle, pushing down towards it to prevent the flooding and drawing back across the surface of the nail. The first coat of the colour paint needs to go on as thin and as evenly as possible. This will help the second layer go on smoothly. I'm now going to change colour as I'm doing a pink and burgundy design. I'll then cure this in the UV lamp for 2 minutes. Apply the second coat using the same technique as you did the first coat. This layer can be slightly thicker, and don't forget to cap off the free edge. Cure in the UV lamp for another 2 minutes. Finally, finish off by applying a top coat. This gel has a slightly thinner consistency to the other gels. It allows for a shinier finish and smooth application. Cure for another 2 minutes in the UV lamp. Finally, wipe off the sticky layer using acetone-free nail varnish remover or a clear off product. Click on the link and I'll be doing a tutorial on how to apply glitter to gel nails. And finally, finish off by applying cuticle oil around the cuticles and edge of the nails and massaging it in. Don't forget to subscribe so you can check out more of my videos.